You know what I hate? Pricing artwork. Wanna know why? It's completely inconsistent. This one was given to me for Christmas. It was a custom painting that someone had done. I don't know exactly how much was paid for it, but I know it was several hundred. I found this piece in the garbage. Actually, it was worse than that. This was actually the backing board for another piece that was in this frame. I love this piece. It's gorgeous. And then you have pieces like this and this that sold for millions of dollars. So what if I paid myself an hourly wage? Like, let's just say $10 just to make it easy. This one would have been $200, and this one would have been $60. Same size, same materials. Most artists' work don't even become valuable until they're dead. Do you realize that until Bob Ross died, that everybody only knew him as the funny guy who made happy trees? And now he's probably one of the most referenced artists on social media. Even prints are inconsistent. There's so much glare on everything. This one was purchased for $200. It's pretty big. This one, custom framing, print, a lot smaller, also $200. This one is mine. It cost me 30 hours and $20 in framing supplies. Are you seeing a pattern yet? Yeah, me neither. So I chose to be lazy, and I'm gonna make all of my artwork the same price. So whether you like art that looks like it's been done by my 10-month-old, or artwork that looks like a photograph, they all cost you pretty much the same. Occasionally I charge a little bit more for one because I try to make back my time in at least 100 sales or less. Which also means that you may not be getting the original artwork, but let's be honest, most of us can't afford originals, and most of us don't care if it's an original as long as it looks nice. And then I don't have to feel guilty for charging an arm and a leg. And when I say cheap, I'm talking like somewhere between $4 and $8. And now I'm getting dizzy, so I'm gonna talk from this angle, but don't click away. Show me that you have more than the attention span of a squirrel. So I'm speaking for myself, but I'm sure a lot of artists can relate in that it's really hard to put a price on the effort we put into it. And in the end, we just want someone to enjoy it and maybe not go broke. Now, a lot of artists have resorted to doing custom pieces for pretty much everything. They do requests, they do custom, just because that's what people buy. So if you really want to do an artist a favor and support them, choose something from something they've already made so they can get a little bit of a return on something that they've already put the time into. So when you ask an artist to create something brand new and do something custom, in a sense, like, you might think that you're supporting the artist, and while financially you might be, it's more that they're actually doing a service for you. Not only that, but for myself, as someone who sells my work as prints, I can't sell a piece several times if it's like a picture of somebody's grandkids. So while I may get paid more for a custom piece, I can't really make as much long term. And custom pieces are time consuming, and I don't necessarily have the most abundance of time these days. So if you're an artist, please like this video. If you are a mom and you like artsy stuff, please subscribe. And if you just like watching weird videos, you can subscribe as well. We appreciate you, and we appreciate all of you people watching our videos. If you have enjoyed any of my videos so far and like any of the artwork that I do, check out the link in the description to get on my email list for when my big wall art collection comes out. It's coming out soon. I'm getting closer. I haven't been posting as many videos of the actual processes because I do want to keep some element of surprise. You say bye to all of our subscribers? Good job. My child just hit the stop record button. Hello.